In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this. Alright, so as you can see, the Thunderbird emblem has been defaced. So I'm going to remove it and put on a new one. And actually I have a factory Ford part for this one, so that's kind of nice. So the first thing I want to do is measure from here down to here. And that's 1.5 inches. And I'm just going to run it along this line right here. And then right here. So the first thing to do is to get the old one off, right? So I'm going to use a heat gun and some fishing line for that. Dental floss could work as well. So if you don't have a heat gun, something else you could use is just a hair dryer. I'm going to do it on just low heat. Gently heat it up. Definitely don't want to go too hot with it and make the paint bubble or anything. It's actually coming right off. There we go. And just clean that off. Okay, to get the residual off, use an adhesive remover, WD-40 penetrant oil, something that will go soft on the paint. Okay, so I took a little break last night because, well, I had food ready. And I found something that might work a little better to help get that off. I think you probably actually want to use Gooby Gone or something like that. And I ended up using one of these microfiber cleaning sponges to help remove that. And let it soak a little bit with actually and actually use some car soap. Just use it not diluted, use it pure strength. And by the way, you got to be extremely careful because you don't want to wear off the clear coat or scratch the car in any way. And So with that being said, you might want to let a professional do this kind of job unless you're certain of your skills. So now I need to get the oil off of here. So I'm just using some scratch and swirl remover, which will remove the oils and that kind of thing to help that emblem stick a little better. And as you can see, I didn't get 100% of it off. Probably would be a good idea to do that, but I didn't. I'm just, I don't want to get down into the clear coat. And this also gives me a little bit to go by when putting the new one on. So, got that as clean as I can get it. And now we're going to stick the new one on. So going something like that. Oh, look at that. It's peeling off. There we go. There we go. Now the new one's on. Be careful when waxing not to catch these corners and break it. So I'm gonna let that set for a little bit, and then I'll come back and wax that quarter panel so everything looks as it should. I'm very happy with the decal. I mean, it's a Ford replacement part, so this is the exact thing you would get brand new. So that's all good. And I can take the old one and, I don't know, hang it up somewhere. Be a good garage hanger. Put it by my valve covers that I have. There we go.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.